Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the top-selling products that are making waves on Amazon. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we explore the very best in cutting mats. These essential tools are a game-changer for crafters, designers, and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering precision and durability to every project. In today's countdown, we'll uncover the top-rated cutting mats that have earned their place in the spotlight, showcasing what makes them stand out in a crowded market. From unmatched versatility to unbeatable quality, these cutting mats have proven their worth to countless users. Without further ado, let's dive into the countdown and see which cutting mats are making the biggest impact on Amazon.
When it comes to crafting with precision and flair, the Cricut StandardGrip machine mats stand out as essential tools for your creative arsenal. Number 5 in our countdown, these 12 by 12-inch mats redefine what it means to cut with ease. Picture this. You're embarking on a new project, and you need a cutting mat that not only holds your materials securely, but also ensures a flawless cut every time. That's exactly what these Cricut mats deliver. Designed to seamlessly interface with your Cricut machine, they keep your cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, and more firmly in place, transforming your crafting experience into one of smooth efficiency. Crafted for durability and strength, each mat is equipped with a strong adhesive that promises a long life. With a clear protective film shielding the mat from dust and scraps, it remains in pristine condition, ready for your next project. Versatility is the name of the game. These mats are engineered to handle a diverse range of materials, from medium-weight cardstock to embossed surfaces, making them indispensable for any creative endeavor. And with a pack of 3, you can keep one loaded while prepping your next masterpiece, ensuring that your crafting process remains uninterrupted. Compatible with both Cricut Explore and Cricut Maker machines, these mats are the perfect complement to your cutting setup. They're made with water-based paint and double-life adhesive, making them an eco-friendly choice for the conscientious crafter. So, whether you're crafting intricate designs or simple shapes, the Cricut StandardGrip machine mats offer reliability and precision, bringing your creative visions to life right in your home. Embrace the ultimate in cutting technology and let your imagination run wild.
At number 4 on our list of top cutting mats, we unveil a true gem for every crafter's toolkit, the Fiskars Self-Healing Cutting Mat. This 18 by 24-inch grid mat isn't just a cutting surface, it's a powerhouse designed to elevate your crafting experience to a new level. Imagine a cutting mat that's not only self-healing, but also a beacon of precision. The Fiskars cutting mat features easy-to-read measuring grids and bias lines at 30, 45, and 60 degrees, making those tricky angle cuts a breeze. Its generous size means you can slice through full widths of fabric with ease, straight from the bolt. No more fussing over smaller mats. This one handles it all. Whether you're diving into sewing, quilting, scrapbooking, or even wrapping gifts, this mat offers unparalleled accuracy while safeguarding your work surface. Pair it with Fiskars rotary cutters and you've got a match made in crafting heaven. Effortless and enjoyable. Durability is where the Fiskars mat truly shines. Its self-healing surface is engineered for long-lasting performance, maintaining its smooth, reliable functionality even after countless cuts. Built to withstand the rigors of frequent use, it ensures precise measurements and results every time. And let's not forget Fiskars' reputation for quality. From scissors to rotary cutters, their tools are crafted to support and enhance your creative endeavors. The Fiskars Self-Healing Cutting Mat is a superb addition to any sewing kit, making it an ideal choice for gift sets or a personal upgrade. Included in this set is one Fiskars 18 by 24-inch self-healing rotary cutting mat, backed by a full lifetime warranty. For best care, store it flat, away from sunlight and extreme temperatures, and clean it with warm water and mild soap. Elevate your crafting game with Fiskars, where precision meets durability and creativity knows no bounds. In our countdown to the best cutting mats, we now present number 3, the Idemeet Density Upgraded 18 by 12-inch Self-Healing Cutting Mat. This mat is a game-changer, setting new standards in precision and durability. Let's dive into what makes this cutting mat truly exceptional. Weighing in at nearly 600 grams, this A3-sized mat boasts a unique density upgrade. The enhanced density not only amplifies the self-healing properties of the mat but also significantly extends its lifespan. This means more reliable cuts and a longer-lasting surface for all your crafting needs. But it doesn't stop there. Beneath the self-healing layer lies a series of premium thickened buffer layers. These layers offer substantial cushioning and support, ensuring your blade cuts effortlessly without damaging the underlying surface. Whether you're using rotary cutters or straight blades, this mat is designed to provide optimal performance and protection. Durability is another key feature. The Idemeet cutting mat incorporates a robust anti-cut white interlayer that excels in resisting cuts and cracks. This interlayer offers superior support and shields your desktop from damage, making it a vital tool for any workspace. The mat is also user-friendly with double-sided grids that are easy to read. Featuring both inches and metric measurements along with clear angle lines, it provides a smooth, non-slip, and non-glare work surface. It's ideal for artists, crafters, quilters, engravers, and hobbyists alike. When it comes to quality, Idemeet stands out. With years of expertise and a rigorous quality inspection process, this cutting mat is built to meet the highest standards. You can trust in its durability and performance, and rest assured that any concerns will be met with top-notch customer service. Elevate your crafting experience with the Idemeet Density Upgraded Self-Healing Cutting Mat, where precision, durability, and quality come together to support your creative journey.
Are you enjoying the countdown of the top-selling cutting mats on Amazon? Well, don't let your excitement go off the grid. Like, subscribe, and press that bell icon so you're always on point with the best deals.
Introducing number 2 in our countdown, the HTVRONT 6-pack cutting mat set for Cricut. If you're searching for versatility and value, look no further. This comprehensive 12 by 12-inch set is designed to perfectly complement your Cricut Explore Air 2, Air, 1, or Maker machines. With a combination of 3 StandardGrip mats, 1 LightGrip mat, 1 StrongGrip mat, and 1 FabricGrip mat, you're equipped to tackle a wide array of crafting projects. Whether you're cutting lightweight paper or heavy fabric, this set has you covered. What sets HTVRONT cutting mats apart is their remarkable stickiness and durability. These mats offer the perfect balance of adhesion, strong enough to keep your materials securely in place, yet easy to peel off without tearing. Even after numerous uses, these mats maintain their adhesive properties, outperforming many name brands while offering exceptional value. Crafted from non-toxic PVC, these mats are not only odorless but also environmentally friendly. They're easy to clean and designed to handle a broad spectrum of materials. From delicate fabrics to sturdy cardstock, this set accommodates all your creative needs. Included with your purchase are handy tips to maximize your mat's lifespan. Keep the transparent protective film on the mat to guard against lint and dust. Use the free scraper provided to remove excess pieces and the spatula to carefully lift cut images. These simple steps will ensure your mats perform at their best for longer. And of course, HTVRONT stands by their product. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, they're dedicated to providing you with a solution if you're not completely satisfied. Your crafting journey is their priority. Enhance your Cricut experience with the HTVRONT Cutting Mat Set, where precision, durability, and versatility come together to support your creative endeavors. Ending our countdown with a flourish, we present number 1, the anezus Self-Healing Sewing Mat. This 12 by 18-inch rotary cutting mat is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, designed to elevate your cutting projects to new heights. Imagine a cutting mat that not only safeguards your work surface but also enhances your precision. The anezus mat is tailored to protect your surfaces while being compatible with both rotary cutters and straight blades. This means it won't dull your tools but will help maintain their sharpness, making it a top choice for artists, crafters, quilters, engravers, and hobbyists alike. Crafted with a sophisticated 5-layer PVC material, this mat is a triumph of engineering. The central layer of white hardness PVC acts as a barrier to prevent cutting through, while the special finish reseals surface cuts, ensuring a continuously smooth cutting experience. It's like having a brand new mat with every use. With its A3 size, the 12 by 18-inch rotary mat is the perfect companion for projects of all scales, whether small, medium, or large. Durable and reusable, it promises longevity and reliability, essential for any serious crafter or seamstress, but that's not all. This cutting mat is double-sided and features clear measurements in both inches and metric grid lines, along with precise angle markings. This thoughtful design ensures you cut with exactitude every time, no matter the complexity of your project. From sewing and quilting to scrapbooking and model making, the anezus self-healing sewing mat handles it all. It's versatile, practical, and engineered to meet the demands of diverse crafting needs. Experience precision and durability like never before with the anezus self-healing sewing mat, where every cut is a step towards crafting excellence. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling cutting mats on Amazon. To stay updated with the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.